Hello, guys, and welcome to Zimdancehall TV. This is the best TV channel giving you updates from all over the world, across Africa, Europe, Asia, and the globe per se. So today I've got a special news, guys. Here I offer special news concerning celebrities, socialites, comedians, musicians, etc. and everyone who's in the entertainment sector. You just join this channel and you listen and tune into our latest updates. So today we've got a very special topic, guys. You've got a triggering topic. There's this guy we know as Blot. Blot Takura, born in 1996. Blot has produced several hits, and you all know Blot from True Sport Records. Blot has been struggling about drug addiction. He's been addicted to Mutoriro. He's been taking Mutoriro and Bronchia for a while. And lately, Blot was admitted at the, what do you call this, a rehabilitation center. Okay, Blot spent some months there, and after some months, he came back strong, fit, looking healthy. And he was looking healthy. His body changed from being skinny to being fat. Everything changed, and he just said he's going to church. We saw him performing at You Bet Angel, and all those things prove that Blot has transformed. But recently we saw a video speculating on social media, and I'm gonna put the video right there so that you guys can watch. Blot was singing a song, and how that video, people got talking about the video, speaking different negative things about him, saying that guy is back again to Torino. That guy is abusing drugs again. So I don't know what you guys think about this issue. Do you think Blot is back again or he is not? We don't know. This is food for thought. And again, on top of that, Blot's mother appeared with Simple Solid on social media, pleading that people, they must stop spreading rumors and fake news concerning people's lives, which they don't know. People, they were saying Blot is in drugs again, but no, Blot is very, very sick. Blot is in a condition. Blot has been sleeping for several weeks, sick and unhealthy. So the mother urged the public that stop spreading rumors and gossip about people's lives you don't know. So guys, I'm gonna leave you watching that video of Blot's so-called Blot's mother speaking to the public. Thank you so much, guys. And if you are new to this channel, please, guys, this is the channel Zimdancehall TV. Just click on the subscribe button and please share so that you don't miss any updates from us. Thank you.
Hello Zimbabwe. Sitaramnoriziva Simple Solid Records Zimbabwe. Ayo, nhasi ndati ndimbofambira friend of mine Takura Chomis. Ari kuTegutu, as you can see kuti Vinam Homes ava ndivo mai waBlota. Pane nyaya dziri kutenderera pasocial media. Kunzi Blota aita madrugs, Blota aita sei? Ayo, Blota ane time ari kuTegutu asi kuva zvakanaka. Saka I think Homes vakachaita sei? Vachataurawo on behalf kurwara kwemukomana.
Hello Zimbabwe, ini mai vake zvikuona hangu zvikutrenda pamidia zvekuti ari kudhakwa nemadrugs aonda adii ari kutorwarawo zvake Blot. This is now the third week Blot akarara pasi achirwara. Saka zvese zviri kutaurwa izvizvi ndezvangowo zvekungosvibisawo zita rake, but otherwise Blot anga asi kutomogwa zvakanaka. Handoriona illness yanga ichitomunetsawo. Saka handisi kuziva zviro zviri kunepera vanhu vachineperana pasocial media kuti azopera azobuya ari kudhakwa. Hazvisiri izvo Zimbabwe, ari kutorwarawo ichitomunamatira iwo todawo maprayers enyu.
Saka thank you Zimbabwe. Nevachaonawo video moregedza kusvibisa zita remukomana. Mukomana sometimes anenge atoriwo pamahwani because haisi yese lifestyle yecelebrity inongoda kuiswa pajekerere. Mukomana atone time ari kuTegutu, ndatodrive kuti nditonomuonawo. Saka thank you.